Hi, my name is Gia. I'm a grad student at Syracuse University studying applied data science. Today, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of creating my poster for Poster Day, from coding to design and to presenting. My project is titled Evolving Champions: How Age, Experience, and Performance Have Shifted in Tennis. I analyzed Grand Slam champions from 1970 to 2020 to understand how factors like age, performance, and surface type have changed over the past 5 decades. The data came from a public tennis analytics repository on GitHub, which included ATP and WTA match records. I started by importing all the raw data into R. Since the information was split across multiple tables, the first step was data cleaning, so I merged the tables, fixed all the inconsistent player names, standardized dates, calculated champion ages, and filtered the dataset to only focus on Grand Slam finals. It is always the most detailed part of the process, but once everything was clean and organized, the analysis became much more easier. Once the data was ready, I moved into visualization using ggplot2 and other tidyverse packages. Here I'm creating a bar chart showing counts of champions under age 22 in the past 5 decades. I also built a violin plot comparing champion age across clay, grass, and hardcourt surfaces to understand long-term trends in how professional tennis performance has evolved. After finalizing the charts, I exported them and moved into Adobe Illustrator to design the poster. I focused on clean structure, readable typography, and a layout where each visualization had clear takeaways. This stage is all about precision, so my main focus was aligning elements, adjusting spacing, and balancing color so the poster is more informative and visually engaging. Once the design was ready, I headed to Bird Library to print the poster using their large format plotters. Printing cost me about $10, which is really affordable for a full-size research poster. After it was done printing, I used the cutting station right next to the plotters to trim the edge and give it a clean, professional finish. Next day, I got ready for the event and grabbed everything I needed and started walking to the iSchool where the event was happening. When I arrived, I set up my poster and prepared for the presentation. During the event, I explained my main findings and talked with peers, faculties, and visitors that helped me dive deeper into the interpretation behind these trends. This project allowed me to combine data science, visualization, and sports analytics in a way that felt both challenging and exciting. Thank you for watching and coming along with me on this journey. I hope this gave you a meaningful look into what research looks like at Syracuse University.